Once your machine is set up, choose the splice mode that corresponds with fiber type you'll be working with and select the heater mode that corresponds with the shrink sleeves you have. In this case, I'm using 2 standard single mode fibers, so I'll opt for SM Auto as my splice mode. Choosing the right splice mode is a crucial factor to successful splicing. Be sure to identify the fiber type you're using and choose the splice mode that corresponds with the fiber at hand. For example, if you're splicing single mode fiber to single mode fiber, you'll likely start with SM Auto, SM Fast, or SM to SM. Similarly, when splicing multi-mode fiber to itself, you'll likely begin choices such as multi-mode auto, multi-mode fast, or MM to MM. Any splice mode with the word auto after it will monitor arc power with each splice, making minor adjustments from one splice to the next. This helps maintain accuracy in arc calibration as environmental conditions change throughout the day. It's important to note that this isn't a substitute for daily arc calibrations. Factors like temperature, barometric pressure, and humidity impact the required arc power for precise fiber melting. Since conditions can vary daily, start the day with quick arc calibration and then use a splice mode ending in auto to keep the initial calibration's accuracy as conditions evolve throughout the day. Splice modes with the fast suffix will assume the correct fiber type is loaded. Adopt the most recently calibrated arc power value, perform the splice in as little time as possible. Splice modes without a suffix following the listed fiber type is categorized as special modes. These modes have an extended parameter list that you can customize for your splice recipe. Choose one of these modes when working with a special fiber type or if you need to adjust certain parameters. Choosing a heater mode is fairly straightforward. In most cases, single fibers are protected with 60mm, 40mm, or fuse connect protection sleeves. However, heating profiles are also available for various other types of protection sleeves.